फासणारी घटना आपण बघतोय। या संदर्भात काय कारवाई होते आपण बघणार आहोत, पण थेट जाणार आहोत मुकेश अंबानी आणि मार्क झकरबर्ग यांच्यात जिओ मार्टवर एक चर्चा सुरू आहे, त्यात थेट सहभागी होऊयात।
फिक्स्ड ब्रॉडबँड and which is happening. We also think that compute and very low latency compute is real, right? I think that there is a great opportunity for really bringing education and healthcare with the second generation reforms that were done in the last 6 months, right? We have a unique opportunity in terms of, and as Geo, we are connecting all the 1.9 million schools in India and the 58,000 universities. At any point in time, we will have in the coming decades about 200 million children or young adults between the age of 3 and 18 in our education system. And I think that in a span of 10 years, right, we can set for ourselves an objective really to reskill India, and the talent that you talked about, right, can improve 10x, right? Today you're just seeing the creamy layer, but that's what technology can do to really make a better India and a better world. The same thing we can do in health and all the emerging technology and integrations where we can make sure that we deliver services and we deliver good proactive health. We've learned that, and I think we are going to use technology. We are working very closely with all the authorities to make sure that we provide the technology tools and backbone for even vaccination in the coming quarters, right, using technology. So I think health, education, we've already and I think that what India has done is, in a sense, we have democratized value creation with the drive of our Prime Minister. And you can see it in payments. You would see it in terms of making sure that technology is easily available, and we've made it affordable so that millions of people, even at this lower per capita basis, can use this in a large market. And with that, finally, I really see the enterprise and the enthusiasm of young Indians and the aspirations of young Indians and their confidence, right? That is really driving India. And that is why I think that the next 2 decades are going to be historic in terms of the social and economic transformation.
That makes sense. I mean, and you of course already talked about commerce and driving small business and entrepreneurship. And, it always blows me away that India has more than 60 million small businesses, and, millions of people around the country rely on them for jobs. And that's a big part of what I hope that our partnership can serve here. We support more than 50 million WhatsApp business app users globally every month already. And more than 15 million of these are in India. So, with communities around the world now in lockdown, there are a lot of these entrepreneurs who need digital tools that they can rely on to find and communicate with customers and grow their businesses. And this is just something that I think that our partnership can really help with. And of course, beyond the impact on small businesses, I just think that this year has reminded us of how essential technology can be as a tool for people to just connect with each other. Whether it's using the networks that your companies have established, or the tools that we've built to be able to have that human connection and
आपण होतो
find
जिओ
important
मार्टमुळे छोट्या
information.
व्यापाऱ्यांना कशा रीतीने फायदा झालेला आहे या संदर्भात या 2 दिग्गजांमध्ये सध्या ही चर्चा जिओ मार्टवर सुरू आहे, आणि यामध्ये नेमके कोणकोणते महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे त्यासह आणि इतरही बातम्यांसह पुन्हा भेटणार आहोत, पण एका ब्रेक नंतर। पहा फक्त न्यूज 18 लोकमत।